I always say it's never a job until there's a mess. We got our quarter minus on both sides over there and over there. We actually had to double up on the amount of quarter minus because it's so deep in the backyard. But I'll show you that in a minute. We got our sand and our turf. Got the Bermuda 60 going in. All of this is going to be pavered with gravel on both sides. We're going with the antique pewter Paseo flat top, very modern look with some white gravel. And here it is. This is the progress update so far. Right here we have our base going in, all quarter minus. Here will be turf. And then as you could see over the weekend, we installed this 14 by 10 concrete deck. And then up there we have our 4x4 steps. Concrete turned out really, really good. But as you could see right here, we had to do 4 inches of ABC. ABC is a like gravel aggregate with all different types of rocks that are different sizes and dirt. Gives it a stronger base and gives it better drainage. But we had to do 4 inches there, and then we did 4 inches of concrete. I don't know if you can see that, but because that's lifted up 8 inches to match the grade of that existing concrete deck, all of this over here has to be raised up as well. So that's why we had to double up on the quarter minus for the turf area. What he's doing right now is he's screeding the top layer so we can get that super even and smooth. And the guys are going and working hard. It's going to turn out nice.